Okay, growth. Mindset, math side, maniac panthers. Welcome to another edition of Mr. Hoffman didn't finish the lesson, so he's making a recording for you. Well, this is kind of good even if I did finish the lesson, honestly, isn't it? What would you rather be doing than watching this? Nothing, of course, except maybe 100 million other things, but we won't count those. Those don't count. All right, so let's see here. I kind of already got this done, animations, plotting these 3 points. Yeah, I like to use my color coding here. And here would be the first point. The -4, see, goes with red, -4, and then the blue 6 up here. And I think a Tron with little light cycles, and they crash into each other. That's the first point. -4 red, blue 6. The Y flies high to the sky and goes deep below the ground. And the red, that's the X, relaxes on the ground, I say, usually. Okay, here's -4 again, and this time it's going to line up with 2. So if we've got motorcycles taking off, where are they going to crash? Right there. And then finally 3 and 2. They crash right there. Red 3, blue 2. Bluetooth, I'm going to say Bluetooth, haha. By the way, you know what time my dental appointment is today? Yeah, 2:30. Yeah, so anyway. So that would make this, where could we put a fourth? Let's see where these vertices, vertex, what's that mean? Well, these are 3 vertices. One vertex, 2 vertices, 3 vertices. So anyway, total. This is plural, a weird way to do plural form of vertex. So that's a vertex, that's a vertex, that's a vertex. But together they make 3 vertices. Okay, so where would the, oh, I put it there, darn it. I don't know if you saw that, it happened so fast. Don't rewind this and see it because you're going to see it again in a few moments. Where would the 4th vertex go? So we have a total of 4 vertices to make a rectangle. Stop the video and see if you can find out where it goes. Ignore the man behind the curtain. Oh, there it is. Okay, so it goes here, and that would make our 4th vertex. Still throws me off, that vertice vertex thing. What is that point, though? What's the coordinate of this point? Oh, I didn't mean to draw there. Oh, well. Oh, so we can use backwards. Like if they crashed there and they went backwards, where'd they end up? So the red one's going to go down to the red. Oh, the blue one hit first. Haha, you win. The blue 6. So this blue is going to be a 6. The y coordinate's a 6. And then the red coordinate, the x coordinate's a 3. So that's going to be 3, 6. That's what this is. That's the location of that geographical location, and it makes a nice rectangle. And by the way, did you guys notice something very interesting here? I mean, you may have noticed this without me saying anything, but the 3 matches with this 3, and the 6 matches with this 6. So they share that in common. I don't know if that's really helpful or not, but it's kind of neat to notice, I think. Okay, now let's do the same thing. Now that we're more familiar with vertices and vertexes, there's no such thing as vertexes, it's vertices. One vertex, everything else is vertices. 2 vertices, 3 vertices, 4 vertices, a million vertices, 1,000 gazillion vertices. Okay, let's do the same thing with the right triangle. Let's plot these points, 3 and 10. See, do I have the animations for this? No, I don't. Okay, where's the 3? Here's the red 3. Here's red 3. That's the X with a blue 10. That's the Y. Where do they meet? At the DQ, Dairy Queen. That's an old commercial. Meet me at the DQ. That's where that one goes. So that is 310. That's not when my 310 is, that's the time, 310. That's not when my dentist appointment is. My dentist appointment is at 2:30. In case you forgot, just saying. All right, back to business. What's the next one? 9, 10. Ooh, so it's going to share something in common. I see that 10 already. They share that 10 in common. I just got to do the 9. So the 9 is way over here, the red 9, and the blue 10 is the same line. So it's going to like rewrite. They're going to crash right about here somewhere. Oh, I was off, wasn't I? A blade, just a little bit. There we go. That's where they crash. There's 9, 10. All right, erase the mumble gumble. Where can we put another vertex so that it makes a right triangle? We could put it lots of different places. Let's say we put one here. Does that make a right triangle? Yes, it does. See, that makes a right triangle. And that point is 9. See the red 9 with a blue 5. X comes first, then Y. X comes first, then Y. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. What comes next? Oh, X. Y, Z, do, 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 do. But that's not the only place, right? That's just one place. We could do 9, 5. Where else can we put it? You try it. Try to put another dot somewhere on here. Pause the video and see what point you come up with. Okay, well, hopefully when you find all these different points, like say for example, you could have picked 3, 5. So we could put 3, 5. You could have put, wait a minute. Oh yeah, you could have put one up here, 315. Again, my appointment's at 2:30, not 3:15. 3:15. We could have put one down here, which is 9, 3. See the red 9 and the blue 3? Okay, let's go back up there. Oh, red 9, blue 3. 9, 3. We could have put one, so many places you can put one. We could have put one up here even somewhere, anywhere in this area, here, 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 here. 9, 15. Are you starting to see any kind of pattern here? You should. You should, maybe you'll notice that. See, these are my Y values. 15 and 15, 3, there's a lot, there was 2 5s and 15s. And these are my X values. 9, 3, 3, 9, 9. I'm more convinced that my X values have more to do with this than my Y values, the red ones. Because if you make anything on the 9, then you're going to get a right triangle. If you make anything on the, change my color to blue, on the 3, if you make X a 3, any 3 at all, except for if you have the Y of 10, obviously, excluding 10, Y of 10, you're going to get a right triangle. Try it. Pick any of these points. You'll see what I mean. Okay, perimeter. This is where we left off in the lesson. I'm going to mark this 8 minutes.